Today we got a brand new collection for you that you guys are gonna absolutely love. We are bringing you the Moroccan Black Collection. It is infused with raw, natural, organic, ethically sourced argan oil right from Morocco and ingredients that you love for hair mask treatments, cleansing, and then moisture. Welcome to the Hennasooq channel. My name is Khadija. I'm a leading henna hair color expert, Ayurvedic hair care specialist, and I do gorgeous henna and jago body art right here in our salon and retail location in Columbia, Maryland. We created the Moroccan Black Collection with men and their beards and anyone who's on the go, in mind. You're gonna be able to cleanse your hair, you're gonna be able to do a hair mask, and then you're gonna moisturize, and then you're gonna be good to go. Many of you may have heard of our Black Raven hair oil, and we used to have this black velvet bar. So I wanted to fuse those products and bring it back as a collection, though, as something that you could use in sync with each other. Our Moroccan Black hair mask is also infused with that raw, natural, organic argan oil straight from Morocco. Other great ingredients that you can find in this hair mask is cassia bufada. You've got rosemary essential oil that's also from Morocco, aloe vera, fenugreek, the rasul clay, so cleansing, detoxifying, but moisture rich. And it smells so good. You've got that Raven Sarah essential oil infused in there as well. It's just a great combination of a mask treatment that you can leave in your hair for 1 to 2 hours. And that's what makes this unique. But the steps are truly what make this unique. You've got your Moroccan Black shampoo bar, and you can use it on your body as well. And that smells absolutely amazing. It is such a great essential oil blend in this one. And again, your argan oils infused in there. Great ingredients for that, for just cleansing from head to toe. And then from there, you're gonna put your mask and leave it in for an hour or two. And then once you're done those, you can moisturize with the Moroccan Black Oil. This is also infused with the argan oil. You got your jojoba oil in there, you got your camellia oil, so you promote hair growth. Great for as a heat protectant oil. Smells amazing because again, it's infused with that Raven Sarah essential oil. This used to be the Black Raven hair oil, so it's got a brand new look. We love this oil for all of the oils in it. Just create a nice balance and not being too heavy, not being too rich, not being too light, but like a perfect combination to like seal and lock in your hair, especially for our men out there. We don't have enough products for them. So we wanted to develop this, bring back the Black Raven, bring back the Black Velvet, and launch a brand new beard and hair mask. So our Moroccan Black Collection officially launches Father's Day weekend, but if you are signed up for our SMS text, you're gonna get early access. And I know you're absolutely going to love it. Because it just smells amazing. And the results and the way that it leaves the hair and the beard feeling moisturized, cleansed. And if you have any issues with your scalp or your beard or any dandruff or buildup, then definitely you will be treating those, and those will disappear. You will not have those issues anymore. So this is a great treatment for you. So scoop it up now. Also, you don't want to miss these videos that we have here right at Hennasooq, so hit subscribe, hit the bell notification, and you won't miss any of the great videos I have coming out for you. So I'll see you next time.